Hello, today we will guide you through how to export project in GitLab. To begin, open GitLab in your web browser and make sure you are on the home page. This is the starting point where you can access your projects and account options. If you are already signed in, you should see the main dashboard right away. From the home page, look to the left-hand navigation menu and click on Projects. This area shows the repositories and project spaces available in your account or groups. It is the quickest way to locate the specific project you want to export. Next, select the project you want to export. In this example, the project shown is a sample project, but you should simply click the project name that matches the one you need. Opening the project first is important because the export option is managed inside that project's settings. Once the project page loads, move back to the left side navigation and click on Settings. This section contains the configuration options for the project, including visibility, permissions, and advanced management tools. Inside Settings, click on General. The General section includes a wide range of project-level controls, so this is where you will continue the process. Depending on your screen size, some sections may appear collapsed, which is completely normal. Now look for the Advanced area and click to expand it. This reveals additional project options that are not always shown by default. If you do not immediately see it, take a moment to scan down the page carefully. After that, scroll down until you find the Export Project section. This part of the page is specifically for creating an export package of your GitLab project. The export can be useful for backups, migration, or transferring a project to another GitLab instance. When you locate that section, click Export Project. GitLab will begin preparing the export file for you. In some cases, the export may take a little time, depending on the size of the project and the amount of associated data, so be patient if it does not finish instantly. That's all there is to it. You have now started the project export process in GitLab by navigating through the project settings and using the export option in the Advanced section. As a helpful tip, if you are managing multiple projects, double check that you are inside the correct one before exporting, since exports are created one project at a time. Thanks for following along. This is how to export a project in GitLab.